Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today is 1st of July 2021 and it's a new month. Today we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index, touch no touch, and we'll be using one indicator which is the Chande Kroll stop. So you can see the indicator right here. So we are using the web trader as well. So let's quickly place few. Okay, that's crossed that line. I'm going to explain how to read this indicator after this trade. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade right here. Okay, as you can see, we've won that trade. You can see we won that trade. So briefly before we proceed, let's quickly go back to the trading bots, the TOUCHSCALPER automated trading bots. You can see some of the results today. The version 6.1 is still very effective. You can see some of the results today, just few hours ago. You can see right here. It's still very effective. I ran it a few times and I made $17.34 dollars. You can see right here. So to purchase this boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.citywitetechnologies.com.ng. is just $9.99 USD, and you can make payments using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, and other payment options right there. And the PIPSREAPER bot as well is still very effective. The current update, you can see it's just $7.99 USD, and here are some results today. You can see the results today, 1st of July 2021. To order the bots, visit www.binarypipsreaper.citywitetechnologies.com.ng. to order the boat is just $7.99 USD. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more strategies. Here are the links. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER bot. We'll paste all this in the video description. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bots. And for those who don't have a trading account, this is the link to sign up for a free trading account. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, the second channel. We have 3 channels. Subscribe to all our channels because we'll be dropping 3 strategies today on the channels, each of the channels. So just subscribe to watch all the strategies will be dropping today on the channel. So let's get back to the trading, and you can see, like I stated earlier, we are using the web trader. And once you log into the web trader, you go to Volatility 25 index, you open the trade, Volatility 25 index, you open it 3 times. You can see I opened it 3 times. This is the first one, the second one, the third one. So you arrange them. Just drag your mouse, click on it to move them. You arrange them. Then once you open it, you open the chart as well. You go to, let me close the chart and reopen it. You go to chart, you go to synthetic indices, you go to Volatility 25 index. So I've opened the chart. I'm going to set the indicator. You go to indicator right here, you click on it, then you click on the Chande Kroll stop, this one, you click on it, then you scroll down here, then you click on OK. Then here you go to the time interval, you set this one to 1 tick, then you push this right so that I'll be able to see the green line. So what you are going to be working with is this. Once the green line crossed the blue line, you can see the green line has crossed the blue line. You have to wait for the green line to come down and pushed up and cross the blue line. You can see the green line is up, it's above the blue. This is the line, the green line. So once it drops down and crosses the blue line, we're going to be clicking on purchase. So let's go for a trade now. Let's watch the indicator. The movement is kind of sluggish, so we have to reopen the chart. Okay, let's reload it again. Let's change it back to 1 minute. So it's moving now. So let's wait for the green line. Is, you can see, it's above, the blue line is down. We have to wait for the blue line to be up then the green line must cross it before we click on purchase. So don't forget to set all these the trade type. Let me just explain this. The trade, we are trading the touch no touch as stated earlier. Just the you click on touch no touch, then you click on no touch. You click on no touch, you set the durations to 6 ticks, you set the barrier offset to plus 0.53 on the first trade, then you enter the amount you want to trade. On the second trade, you set the same settings, touch no touch, but the barrier offset you set it to plus 0.52, then you enter the payout. On the third trade as well, you set the touch no touch. Make sure you click on no touch on all the trades. Then you set the durations to 60, you set the barrier offset to plus 0.53, then you enter the payout. So let's watch the indicator again. The line is set, the green line is once the blue line is under and the green line crossed it, we are going to be clicking. You can see the green line is pushing up. We are close. You can see it has collapsed. It has crossed it. You can see the green line, it crossed the blue line. So we click on purchase there. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So as you can see, we've won that trade. So we have to watch again. The green line is above, so we have to wait for the green line. So I'm going to drag this very close. We are going to go to the next trade that we opened right here. So the green line is pushing down. Once it crosses the blue line, we are going to click on purchase. It has crossed it. Okay, so we want that trade as well. We want that trade. Let's go for another trade. Let's go for the last trade here. So let's watch again. The green line is still above. We have to wait for the blue line to go up, then the green line must cross it. The green line is coming down. So we have to wait for the green line to cross the blue line. Okay, we are a bit close there. So it has touched it. It has crossed it. So let's go for that last trade there and see. Okay. So you can see we won all the trades. You can go on and on and on. You can just make sure you watch the indicator before you place the trade, and make sure you set all these parameters correctly, so you can just go on and on and on by using this strategy. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels. As stated earlier, we'll be dropping 3 strategies today. Just check all the channels to watch all the strategies. And for those who haven't purchased the boots, the TOUCHSCALPER boots is just 9.99 USD, and you can see some of the updates right here today. July 1st 2021. And the PIPSREAPER bot as well, you can see some of the updates. These are the URL to order these bots. Just visit the page to order the bots. Thanks for watching. Bye.